Hello all, welcome back to NSMS. So today we are going to start the last topic of unit number 4, that is called series solution of Legendre differential equation at x is equals to 0. So first of all, understand what is Legendre differential equation. So an equation 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 y equals to 0. It is called Legendre's differential equation. Now we have to calculate the solution of Legendre's differential equation. So the Legendre's differential equation is 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus 2x into dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 y equals to 0. So value of p0 of x is 1 minus x square, value of p1 of x is minus 2x, and value of p2 of x is n into n plus 1. Now when you calculate p0 of 0, that means x is equals to 0. So this x is 0, so you will get 1 here. That is non-zero value. That means x is equals to 0 is an ordinary point. So in previous lectures we already learned the solution at ordinary point. So we have to take the solution at ordinary point as y is equals to summation k varies from 0 to infinity ak x is to k only, not m plus k. Here x is to k only. Now differentiating this, we will get value of dy by dx. It is summation k varies from 1 to infinity. Note down, here power of x is k only. So after differentiating, the summation get changed, k varies from 1 to infinity ak k x is to k minus 1. And value of d square y by dx square, it becomes summation k varies from 2 to infinity ak k minus 1 into x is to k minus 2. Now after putting these values in the given differential equation, so given differential equation becomes, what you will get, 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square. So it is 1 minus x square into summation k varies from 2 to infinity ak k minus 1 x is to k minus 2 minus 2x into dy by dx. It is summation k varies from 1 to infinity ak k x is to k minus 1 plus n into n plus 1 into y is summation k varies from 0 to infinity ak x is to k is equals to 0. Now multiply this 1 minus x square inside, you will get summation k varies from 2 to infinity ak k minus 1 x is to k minus 2 minus sign summation k varies from 2 to infinity ak k minus 1 and x is to k after multiplying by x square minus summation k varies from 1 to infinity, it is 2 into ak into k x is to k plus multiply this n into n plus 1. So you will get summation k varies from 0 to infinity n into n plus 1 ak x is to k is equals to 0. Now see here the power of x is k minus 2, here power of x is k, power of x is k, and power of x is k. So we have to try to make here power of x is k also. That's why we are going to put k is equals to m plus 2. So see what happens. Here put k is equals to m plus 2. So we will get summation m plus 2 equals to 2 to infinity m plus 2 into m plus 2, m plus 2 minus 1, it is m plus 1 x is to k is m plus 2, so m plus 2 minus 2 it becomes x is to m. Here there is already term x is to k, here is also x is to k, and here is also x is to k. So directly put k is equals to m. So you will get minus summation k varies from 2 to infinity am into m minus 1 x is to m minus this term summation k m varies from, it is also m varies from 1 to infinity 2 times am k into x is to m plus summation m varies from 0 to infinity n into n plus 1 am x is to m is equals to 0. Now simplifying this 2 goes to RHS, so it becomes m is equals to 0 to infinity. So we will get next term as summation m is varies from 0 to infinity am plus 2 m plus 2 m plus 1 x to m minus summation 2 to infinity am into m minus 1 x to m minus summation m varies from 1 to infinity 2 times am into m x to m plus summation 0 to infinity n into n plus 1 am x to m. This term we will get. Then see, the first summation start from 0, second summation start from 2, third summation start from 1, and fourth summation start from 0 again. So we have to start all the summations from maximum number, that is 2. So for that we have to put 0 and 1 here. We have to put m is equals to 1 here, and we have to put m is equals to 0 and 1 here. So see what happens when you put m is equals to 0 here. We will get a2 into 2 into 1 into x to 0 is 1. Also put m is equals to 1, so plus a3, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 plus 1 is 2, x to 1 is x. Then this term, no need to put anything. In this term put m is equals to 1, so that it will start from 2. So minus, putting m is equals to 1, so we will get 2 times a1 into m is equals to 1, so this is 1 into x is to 1, that is x. In this term we have to put m is equals to 0 and 1, so we will get n into n plus 1 a0 plus n into n plus 1 a1 x. So after that all the terms start from 2, so we can write summation m is varies from 2 to infinity. Then am plus 2, m plus 2, m plus 1 minus this term as am into m minus 1 plus this term as 2 times am into m, and this term as n into n plus 1 times am into x to m is equals to 0. Now comparing the coefficients to 0. So first of all, comparing the coefficients of constant term. Here is a constant term, then this term is not constant, this is also not constant, this is a constant term, this is not constant, and remaining all term not constant. So there are two terms which is constant term equated to 0. So look at this is 2 times a2 plus n into n plus 1 times a0 is equals to 0. This implies 2 times a2 is equals to minus n into n plus 1 a0, that is a2 is equals to minus n plus 1 upon 2 a0. So we will get the value of a2. Now similarly equate the coefficient of terms, coefficient of x. So this is a term having coefficient x, this is also term having x, and this is also term having x. There are 3 terms. So equate the coefficients. What you will get? This term gives 3 into 2 6 a3. This term gives minus 2a1, and this term gives n into n plus 1 a1 is equals to 0. Simplifying, we will get 6a3 is equals to 2a1 in the right hand side minus n into n plus 1 a1. Taking a1 common, we will get 2 minus n into n plus 1. Taking minus sign outside, so we will get minus times a1, and this n into n plus 1 becomes plus, that is n square plus n minus 2, and divide by this 6. So we will get a3 is equals to minus a1 n square plus n minus 2 upon 6. Now this n square plus n minus 2 we can factorize it. So this minus a1 as it is, how to factorize it? So we require the multiplication is minus 2 and addition is plus 1. So which are the two numbers having multiplication is minus 2 and addition is plus 1? So these two numbers are plus 2 and minus of 1. So we can write this factor as n plus 2 n minus 1 upon 6 can be written as 3 factorial. So this is value of A3 in terms of A1. Now for remaining term for A4 we have to calculate the recurrence relation. So the coefficient of x is to m, equate this coefficient of x is to m to 0 to get a recurrence relation. Equate coefficient of x is to m to 0. So you will get am plus 2, m plus 2, m plus 1 minus am into m minus 1 plus 2am into m plus n into n plus 1 times am is equals to 0. That is a recurrence relation. Now this term contains am plus 2, this term contains am, this term contains am, and this is also am. So the terms of am goes to right hand side. So am plus 2 into m plus 2, m plus 1 keep as it is in the left hand side, and terms of am goes to right hand side. Negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative, also am common. So you will get am common, so negative becomes positive, so it becomes m into m minus 1. This term in the right hand side becomes negative, but already am taken common, so you will get minus 2m. Then this term positive becomes negative, in the right hand side it becomes minus n into n plus 1, am already taken common. Now this is equals to am into, we can write this as m square minus m actually. See, this term is negative. See here, minus times 2m, we forgot to add this negative. So we have to change here. This term is negative. So this term becomes positive after getting it to right hand side. So m square minus m plus 2m minus n square minus n we will get. This is equals to am. So m square minus n square, this term and this term. Then minus m plus 2m, it becomes m minus n. Now this is equals to am into bracket m square minus n square, that can be written as m plus n into m minus n plus this m minus n term as it is. Taking m minus n common, so you will get am into m minus n and m plus n plus 1. So you will get this am as am plus 2 as am plus 2 is equals to m minus n, m plus n plus 1 upon this m plus 1, m plus 2 am. From this we have to calculate a4 because we already calculate a3 here. So you have to calculate a4, so put m is equals to 2. So what you will get, see, I am going to write this expression again on the next page. So put m is equals to 2. So we will get a4 is equals to 2 minus n into here n, value of m is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, so n plus 3 are there, upon value of m is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 into this 2 plus 2 is 4 into a2. This is equals to, we can take minus sign outside, minus times n minus 2 n plus 3 upon 12 into value of a2. We already calculated the value of a2. So value of a2 is this minus n into n plus 1 upon 2 a0. So we will get this minus n into n plus 1 upon 2 a0. So simplifying it, we will get minus minus plus n into n plus 1 into this n minus 2 n plus 3 upon 12 into 2, that is 24 a0, that is a4. That can be written as n into n plus 1 n minus 2 n plus 3 upon 4 factorial a0. In a3 also we have written here 3 factorial, and in a4 you will get 4 factorial. Now this expression you will get in terms of a0. Now our solution is, therefore solution is y is equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3 x cube plus a4 x raised to 4 plus dot dot dot. Since you calculate the coefficient up to a4, so that's why I expand the series up to a4. So this is equals to a0 as it is, then a1 is also as it is, a1x. What is the value of a2? a2 is minus n into n plus 1 upon 2 a0 into this x square. Then value of a3 is equals to, see, a3 is equals to n minus 1 minus times n minus 1 n plus 2 upon 3 factorial a1. a3 is minus times n minus 1 n plus 2 upon 3 factorial a1 into x cube. Then next term is a4. Value of a4 is plus times, so it is plus times n into n plus 1 n minus 2 n plus 3 upon 4 factorial a0 x raised to 4 plus dot dot dot. Now collecting the terms of a0, so what will you get? a0 common, 1 minus n into n plus 1 upon 2 times x square, and this term plus n into n plus 1 n minus 2 n plus 3 upon 4 factorial x raised to 4 plus dot dot dot, plus correcting the terms of a1. So this is term of a1, this is also the term of a1. So you will get, this is x minus n minus 1 upon n plus 2 upon 3 factorial into x cube plus dot dot dot. This is y. So you will get the solution of this given differential equation in the form of y is equals to a0 y1 plus a1 y2. So that is our final solution. This is our final solution for this Legendre's differential equation, and this is our last topic. So this topic is completed. So unit number 4, that is series solution of differential equation, this unit number 4 is completed. From the next video we start unit number 5. If you have any doubt in unit number 4, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can also ask me on WhatsApp personally. Thank you.